Good morning to everyone. Good morning, one and all. Today, now we are going to discuss about expressing feelings. Here feelings means the human beings generally they have some interpersonal relationships. Feelings means they feel with some unexpected things. They can react for their relationships. They share their feelings with others. We discuss in this topic that is called as expressing feelings. Okay. So the topic is expressing feelings for diploma first year students by Venugopala Rao, lecturer in English. So on outcomes of this lesson, on completing the lesson, you will be able to express your feelings, speak about what others feel. First of all, you have to express your feelings, react yourself with others, building relationship with others, maintaining relationship with others, and at the same time you also receive from the others. That is, speak about what others feel. Speak about what others feel. Outcome of this lesson, on completing this lesson, you will be able to express your feelings, speak about what others feel. So first of all, here introduction, this is the most important, expressing feelings. Why feelings are so important in interpersonal relationship? Why feelings are so important in interpersonal relationship? First of all, we have to know about that what is the interpersonal relationship. What is main interpersonal relationship? What is main interpersonal relationship is? It is interpersonal relationship is a strong, deep, or close association or acquaintance between two or more people. Here, the interpersonal relationship is a strong, deep, or close association or acquaintance between two or more people. Between two or more people that may range in duration from brief to enduring. Here, interpersonal relationships is a strong, deep, or close association or acquaintance between two or more people that may range in duration from brief to enduring. The context can vary from family or kinship, relations, friendship, marriage, relations with associates, work clubs, neighborhoods, and places of worship, like that. Here, see, this is an interpersonal relationship, means it is in a close, strong, deep relationship with two or more people. Means it is in a relationship, but it can vary from person to person. The interpersonal relationships is different from within the family members. That is, we have one type of interpersonal relationship with our father and another type of interpersonal relationship with mother, with wife, with brother, with sister, and kinship, like that. Here it is a strong, deep, or close an association and acquaintance between two or more people, and this contact is vary from person to person, family and kinship, with associate, with relatives, at workplace, with the neighborhoods. Actually, this association, this relationship may be regulated by law, customs, or mutual agreement and form the basis of social group and society as a whole. The association may be based on mainly inference, love, solidarity, support, regular business interactions, or some other type of social connections. How the interpersonal skills developed means the interaction with the other person is most and most important. So here, why the feelings are so important in interpersonal relationship means, first of all, the interpersonal relationship means it is a deep, close relationship between two or more people. Then they may range in duration from brief enduring. Here, come to our context, come to our topic. Why feelings are so important in interpersonal relation? Because communication is the art or relationship, and feeling are the art or effective communication. The feelings are at the heart only. First of all, the feelings arise at the heart only. The heart or effective communication. When we are able to communicate the feeling level, we eliminate much of the misunderstanding that occur in the most relationship. Here, whenever the misunderstanding occur, how the misunderstanding will occur? When the relationship is break. Why the relationship is break? Because your feeling levels are not as much as satisfaction. Not as much as satisfaction, automatically misunderstanding will occur, then the relationship will break up. So that's why whenever we are communicate at the feeling level, we eliminate much of the misunderstanding that occur in most relationships. Means here the importance of the expressing feelings means whenever they communicate at the heart level, whenever we are able to communicate at the feeling level, we eliminate much of the misunderstanding that occur in most relationship. Means the relationship will build always the feeling at the heart level and effective communication only. Why feelings are so important in interpersonal relationship? Because communication is at the heart or relationship and feeling are at the heart. See, communication is at the heart or relationship and feeling are at the heart or effective communication. When we are able to communicate at the feeling level, we eliminate much of the misunderstanding that occur in most relationship. This is expressing. An expression of warmth toward another person almost always bring a response of acceptance, trust, and the desire for a closer relationship. An expression of warmth towards another person almost always bring a response of acceptance, trust, the desire for a closer relationship. Here, an expression of warmth towards another person. Warmth means enthusiasm, kindness, affection. An expression of affection towards another person almost always bring a good response of expectancy. If you react immediately with affection, the response of expectancy, trust, and the desire of the closer relationship. An expression of warmth towards another person almost always bring a response of expectance, trust, and the desire for closer relationship. Expression of affection, the affection, kindness, it towards another person almost always bring a response of expectance of, means this bring a trust and the desire for a closer relationship. Many people, however, have trouble verbalizing their feelings. Yes, so many people they will face so much to express. They will face some problem to express their feelings. Some people they will express their feelings in an extraordinary way. Some of the people, they express their feelings in an ordinary way. Some of the people, they express their words, verbalize their feelings in such a beautiful manner. But so many people however have the trouble to verbalizing their feelings. Means presenting their feelings in is a problematic here. Means the presenting the feelings means verbalizing their feelings means presenting, giving good response is good. One might be able to say how you feel and what they want. Being unable to say how you feel can lead to frustration and ultimately conflict. Yes, here you see many people however have trouble verbalizing their feelings. One might be able to say how you feel. If he does not know how to present, how to feel, how to verbalize his feelings, automatically one might be able to say how you feel and what they want. Being unable to say how you feel can lead frustration and ultimately conflict. It is an important to acknowledge it and make others aware of how you feel. This is how acknowledge means. It is important to acknowledge. Acknowledgement means receiving response, and it make others aware of how you feel. So it is an important. So examples, more expressing feelings are examples. I feel upset when you shout at me. If anyone shout, automatically you will. If anyone shout on you without proper, without any mistakes, automatically you feel. If you have done mistakes also, we have to rectify your mistakes in a proper way. Other than he will shout on you recklessly without in a proper way, automatically you will feel I feel upset when you shout at me. This is an example. I feel when I see you look so tired because I am not able to work more. I feel when I see you look so tired because I am not able to work more. I feel a lot because this is a personal jealousy. If one of the person is working more hard, he is working more hard, but this person is not working that much. That much. That's why he felt. I feel when I see look so tired because of not able to work more. Here this is a personal feelings. They express their personal feelings. In the first example, I feel upset when you shout at me. Here I feel when I see you look so tired because of I am not able to work more. So this is your examples now expressing feelings of the topic. This is now before going to start, I will ask some questions, give some answers. How would your sister feel if she won a prize in a chess tournament? How do you feel when you score a very low rank in an important examination? How do you feel when your friends present you a valuable gift on your birthday? How do you feel if somebody unintentionally hurt you? These are the pre-reading activity. How would your sister feel if she won a prize in a chess tournament? How do you feel when you score a very low rank in an important examination? How do you feel when your friends present you a valuable gift on birthday? How do you feel if somebody unintentionally hurt you? Okay, I will explain now. First question, how would your sister feel if she won a prize in a chess tournament? Yes, is feeling. When my sister wins a prize in chess tournament, she feels excited and very happy. He said her feelings, excited and very happy. His sister feels excited and very happy. How do you feel when you score a very low rank in an important examination? How do you feel when you score a very low rank in an important examination? When I score a low rank in a very important examination, I feel disappointed and sad. Because of that is a casual feeling. When I score a low rank in very important exam, that is important exam, that particularly important exam, so automatically you feel disappointed and sad. When your friends present you, when your friends present you a gift on his birthday, I feel delighted and happy. When your friends, how do you feel when your friends present you a valuable gift on your birthday? When your friends present me a gift on my birthday, I feel delighted and happy. Your friends presented a gift to me, so automatically I am very happy. My feelings are very happy. Okay. How do you feel somebody unintentionally hurt you? Unintentionally hurt you. When somebody hurt you, I felt sad and disappointed. So these are the 4 questions I reminded you. I asked some questions. How would you feel expressing feelings? So you see, I asked some questions. You have to express the feelings in the following situations. Sometimes we may face some unforeseen situations. Sometimes we will see unexpected things also. How you react and how you will, what is your feelings? How you will express your feelings? Unforeseen situations, unexpected things. Okay. One question I will ask you. You have watched the news of an earthquake. How you will react? What is your feeling? So, when I watched the news of an earthquake, I was shocked. And death of so many people, and I felt very sad. Why? Here that is in a totally an earthquake, so much loss, and so many people were displaced, and lot of number of buildings were collapsed, totally damaged. So that's why I was shocked, and death of so many people, I was felt very sad. And the second question, India won the World Cup cricket series. India won the World Cup cricket series. How you feel? Whenever India won the cricket cup series, I felt very happy and excited. It is a happy news. So that's why very happy and excited. You have passed the exam with unexpectedly good marks. You have written very less. You might have thought that I didn't write very well, but unexpectedly you got good marks. So that is it is an amazing thing. So that's why I was felt amazed and I am very happy, isn't it? Watching the news and unforeseen situations, that is a shocking news. So it is a damage is there. So it is a sad news is there. India won the World Cup is a good news. Everything is good, excitement, and every match also in excitement way. That's why very happy and excited. You have passed the exams with unexpectedly good marks. Here you see you have passed the exams with unexpectedly good marks. You have written very less. You didn't expect them like that, but you got good marks in that exam. So automatically it is amazing to you. It is an amazing thing, unexpected thing. So that's why amazing. Your mother asked you to go to rice. Your mother asked you to go get rice, and you saw various brand priced differently. You went the market to buy rice. There are different types of there. What was your feeling? Automatically you will get confused. Okay, I was confused of which one to buy. Definitely, that is some immediate response automatically rise in our feeling. Okay, so many brands are there. Okay, you are new to that. Immediately you was confused which was you want to buy. You read an article about children working in a hazardous industries. It is a humanitarian grounds question. Working in hazardous industries. You read an article about children working in hazardous industries. So it is in a sad news. That's why I felt very sad. Here I felt very sad. You watched a horror movie that night. The power went off and everything was dark. It is an unforeseen situations. You will be there in at home, only one person single, no one is there. You watched horror movie, okay. At the same time, no power is there, totally dark. Everything, the illusions come, and everything scaring is there. So I was scared, okay, afraid, okay. So your friend slipped on a banana peel and fell down. I am totally embarrassed. I am totally embarrassed. Your friend invited you on his birthday, you forgot and went the next day with a gift. How you feel? Your friend invited you on his birthday, you forgot and went the next day with a gift. So automatically, whenever we are entering to them or whenever we are going to that person, automatically we have some shy and embarrassed to go. How I will go? What is the reason to I tell to him? He will ask me why didn't come. What was the reason to me? Just I forgotten. I did not have any work, just forgotten. Is it reason to tell him? Like that, himself he embarrassed to go. Okay. Instead of going to college, went to movie and your uncle saw. Instead of going to college, went to movie and your uncle saw. What is your feeling? I was shocked and scared to see him. Immediately we try to escape to him. Whenever we see, we try to escape him. First of all, shocked, shivering, fevering. Because actually at the time I have to in college, but here I went to movie. My uncle came. He saw me. First shocking, fevering, heartbeat increasing, searching for the reason. No reason is there. Then what I do? Next, scaring, escaping to him, scared to move to that corner, move to this corner, like that. I was shocked and scared to see him. So, your younger brother did not return home till 9 p.m. Younger brother did not return home till 9 p.m. Time is over. Almost all 9 p.m. means late time, night time. Younger brother. So it is some worry thing. What happens when he come? What was there? Anything happened like that? So much worry. So I was worried a lot. Like that, now I will explain some more examples on similar lines. So note down some more examples. Because of this is a PowerPoint presentation, hence I will explain some more examples on this too. You worked very hard for the exams, but the exams were postponed. Yeah, this is exactly now. It's a very good question. You have prepared very well for the semester exam. Almost all everyone have prepared for semester exam and semester exam, second sem, fourth sem. But due to the coronavirus, suddenly exams were postponed. Okay, again announced the schedule was released or announced in the July month. Okay, The supplementary exams will start from July 2nd, and regular exams will start from July 27th, Polyset on July 1st. But before one day, 24 hours, before 6 hours for the conducting Polyset was postponed. How they were, what was their feeling? You worked very hard for the exams, but the exams were postponed. Here, what is your feeling? Okay, you worked very hard for the exam, but the exams were postponed. My feeling is, when I worked very hard for the exam, but the exams were postponed, I was disappointed. I was disappointed. Very bad. Shit. Some people use very depression. They will go into depression also. Serious candidates. They will go into depression because they studied very hard. They studied for more than some students studied for more than 10 hours per day. Suddenly exams postponed. They will go to depression. Or here, disappointed. Okay. Next, one more question. You go to watch the movie, the story is not interesting. The songs too are not good. Okay, you went to movie, you spent some money, entered, you spent some money, but the movie is not interested. Even songs also not interested. What is your feeling? What is your feeling? When I went to watch the movie, the story was not interesting. The songs too were not so good. I felt bored. Your word is bored. Your feeling is bored. We are bored. Okay. One more question. There was a bus strike. You had to walk a long distance in the hot sun. There was a bus strike. You had to walk a long distance in the hot sun. When there was a bus strike, I had to walk a long distance in the hot sun. I was very tired and thirsty. Tired and thirsty. Your feeling is tired and thirsty. Next, your sister is your father's favorite. He bought a gift for her, but not for you. This is generally these things will happen in the families. Some parents, they will, if two or more children are there, some of the parents, they will encourage one particular children compared to other in their family. This is a question. Your sister is your father's favorite. He bought a gift for her, but not for you. Okay, what is your reaction? What is your feeling? Your feeling is, when my father bought a gift for her favorite daughter, that is my sister, I felt very bad and sad. Here also. Your sister is your father's favorite. He bought a gift for her, but not for you. Your answer is, when my father bought a gift for her favorite daughter, that is my sister, I felt very bad and sad. Even though my sister, but I felt bad and sad. That is a feeling. There was a debate competition in your town. You spoke well and won a prize. There was a debate competition in your town. You spoke well and won a prize. How you feel? It is a mass gathering, debate competition. Debate competition means such a talented persons will be participated. Okay, you discussed well. Okay, you discussed well. You got the one. How is your feeling? Okay, where was a debate competition in my town? I spoke well and won prize. I felt proud and happy. This is very important. Proud. Why proud? Why the word come here? Proud. Express feeling, because you were participated in such a big talented persons. In town hall, you spoke well, you discussed well. That's why you felt proud and happy. You felt proud and happy. Okay. At theatre counter, you wait patiently in a queue for your turn to buy a ticket. a boy from behind jumps the queue and get the ticket. At the theater counter, you wait patiently in a queue for your turn to buy a ticket. A boy from behind jumps the queue and get the ticket. Generally it is will happens in new cinema releases and big hero cinemas release on the first day and second day. This happens, it's common, and those who are stands before him, they will argue with them. They will, for some persons, they will fight with them also. They ask them, why are you jumping? We are not there. We are waiting for so long time. You came just now. You are jumping. You are jumping and try to ticket. Just now came now. We are waiting from so many for a long time. Is it correct? Go back. Like this type of discussion will be occur like these situations. When at a theater counter, I was waiting patiently in queue for my turn to buy a ticket. A boy from behind jumps the queue and gets the ticket. I was very angry. That is common. The human reaction is a common thing. You are waiting for a long time to get a ticket. Just he came and he jumped the line and get the ticket. What is your reaction? Automatically every person will get angry. So once again I am repeating this question. At the theater counter, you wait patiently in a queue for your turn to buy a ticket. A boy from behind jumps the queue and get the ticket. When the theater counter, I was waiting patiently in a queue for my turn to buy a ticket. A boy from behind jumps the queue and gets the ticket. I was very angry. One more example. There was a sudden announcement about a bomb ticketing away at the bus stop, and you were waiting there. There was a sudden announcement about a bomb ticking away at the bus stop, and you were waiting there. What is your reaction? When there was a sudden announcement about bombs ticking away at the bus stop and was waiting there, I became nervous and scared, did understand what to do. This is a very, very critical and panic situation. So many people were there. Crowd was there. Bomb ticking is the announce came. Everyone is scared. Everyone is running. Everyone going without any direction, without any target. They move that side. They move this side. Totally is confusing. In these situations, you became nervous and scared and didn't understand what to do also. What to do? Like that situations. Okay. See, I am telling one more example. Your close friend met an accident. How you feel? It is a compulsory. You will feel disappointed. You will feel sad. You feel sad, disappointed. Why? That is a relationship. That is called as an interpersonal relationship. If your teacher or if your favorite teacher is not attended class today, how you feel? You came to the college or school with enthusiasm to learn more. You came to the college especially for that particular class. You was prepared very well before that content also. You collected all the information. You have prepared some questions to clarify the questions to clarify with the teacher, but the teacher is not attended the class on the day. What is your reaction? What is your reaction? You said disappointed, felt sad, disappointed. But the same teacher is not attended his period, but he came in the evening and he has taken the class after the college or school timing to clarify your doubts. What is your reaction? You will be happy because you will be happy. In the morning session felt sad, but evening session you will be happy. So that is the difference, the relationship and the time being and sense thing and place, everything will react time to time. It is not in the uniformic. The expressing feelings are is not in uniformic. These relationships may affect with the time being, persons, time to time, incident to incident also. So like that, okay, expressing feelings, okay, express feelings in a proper way is main, okay. You have to improve your expressing feelings a systematic way. It builds a good relationship with others. So here I will give one classroom activity. So here totally 10 questions are there, and at the same time I have given 10 words also in generally. You have to read the 10 sentences and words and complete this task. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words given below to express your feelings. The first one, I have to take medicine, I am. These are suitable words. You fill in the blanks. Words are there. Okay. Already have given below this task. She saw the snake and screamed. She was. I have been working for 10 hours. I am. Her aunt gave her a beautiful gift. She was. She had to give a speech. She was. The father is shouting at his son. He is. They will be away from home for a long period of time. They are. The girl's pet parrot is sick. She is. The child is going on a picnic. She is. The fox wants to eat grapes. The fox is. So the words are happy, hungry, excited, tired, hurt, hungry, sad, homesick, delighted, scared. So now let's start complete the tasks. Now come to the tasks. The first question is I have to take medicine. I am. I have to take medicine. I have. So here answers are there. First answer is hurt. That's why here I have to take medicine. I am hurt. The second question, she saw the snake and screamed. She was. Automatically some fearing, shivering, everything is there. She was scared. Here word is scared. Second one. Third one, I have been working for 10 hours. I am. He is working for a long time. He is working for a long time. So come to the options. Here options, art completed, scared completed, come to no happy, angry, no excitement, no sad. Okay, here tired is the answer. He is working for a long time, so automatically tiredness will come. The answer is tired. Okay, we will go through answer. Yes, answer is tired. Fourth one, her aunt gave her a beautiful gift. She was. Okay, it is mean delightment, very happiness, very amazing thing. So come to here delighted. Answer is delighted. Next, she had to give a speech. She had to give a speech. She was. So here, happy completed, angry not is angry, tired completed, hurt completed, delighted completed, okay, scared completed. So answer is here excitement is there. She had to give a speech, means excitement, or how I will give, whether I will speak correct or not. Okay, excitement is excited. Excited means the inner feeling to do something before. Okay, that is excitement. Come to the father is shouting at his son. He is. The father is shouting at his son. He is homesick. Okay. Next one. They will be away from home for a long time. They are. They are means they are away from long time. Okay. Automatically homesick will come. Okay. That is answer is homesick. The girl's pet parrot is sick. She is. The girl's pet parrot is sick. She is. She is sad. The child is going on a picnic. Sorry, the child is going to on a picnic. The child is automatically child is going to picnic means it's a enjoyment purpose. Very happy. The fox wants to eat grapes. The fox is hungry. Okay, it is a very easy. These are the suitable words. And now, one more assignment. Now we have write a paragraph using the following hints with the suitable questions. Expression. Here paragraph. Write a paragraph using and hints also given, some words also given. You have to make a paragraph. No college, no power at home, no TV, nothing to eat, bus strike, theater closed. Here hint. The hint also given. The hint is you may start with I was bored. The first line, first you have to start with, you may start with I was bored. So here write a paragraph. What is the meaning of paragraph? Meaning of paragraph is it is a collection of sentences. Collection of sentences. What is how many sentences are there generally in paragraph? A paragraph consists 5 to 6 sentences, and the continuation of the sentences also is there in the paragraph. Every line is interlinked with the main content. You understand? Paragraph means collection of sentences. Each paragraph consists generally 5 to 6 lines, and these lines are interrelated, and continuity will be there in the sentences. Okay, generally the first line will be the main definition of the paragraph. Now come to here, the hint words are no college, no power, at home, no TV, nothing to eat, bus strike, theater closed. Now you start with the main first thing is one day I was at home getting bored on the day. I did not had college, had no power at home because of power cut and the TV also not working, and at the time I was hungry. I thought of eating something, but there was nothing to eat at home. So finally I thought of going to watch a movie, but for my bad luck there was a strike. I got so angry and at last I slept. So this paragraph, you see, this paragraph totally complete on expressing feelings only. So here see what is the clue here. First of all, you see no college. No college means what is your feeling? No power at home. What is your feeling? No TV. What is your feeling? Expressing feeling. Nothing to eat. What is your expressing feeling? Bus strike, theater closed. All these are paragraph belongs to the expressing feelings only. One day I was at home getting bored on the day. Okay, this is first line. I did not had college. College, no college. I had no power at home. No power also because of power cut, and the TV also not working. So totally not working. And at the time I was hungry. I thought of eating something, but there was nothing to eat home. So finally I thought of going to watch a movie, but for my bad luck there was a strike. Got so angry and at last I slept. Totally it is on expressing feelings. So expressing feelings means it is a main thing. It is an interpersonal relationships. So building building a relationship with other, itu we are able to communicate, effective communicate with others at feelings level is important. That is important. Okay. Here main thing is come to this topic. The finally we use, while we are expressing our feelings, we have to use simple and short tenses, short sentences. Simple and short sentence. Don't complicated sentence. Don't use complicated sentences, and use appropriate words to express feelings. That is the most and most important. Use appropriate word. Okay, happy, very happy, like that. Okay, use appropriate words to express feelings. Okay. Thank you, one and all.